Then we are going to make a cute boring. Yeah, boring. Okay, cute boring. Cute boring. I'm going to use the wire 0.3. Thinner wire. Thinner wire, cut this one small. Okay, then let's go to make it. Three beads. String it with the 3-piece beads and with 2 beads. Two-piece beads. We make another ring. It's also the black with the gold. Okay. Middle we will use spacer beads 3mm. Wire just cut it about 20 centimeter for here is okay. Cut the 20 centimeter here is okay. Okay, make it the cute piece. Here, middle is a gold beads, so it come out very cute with this gold. Two-piece beads also. Here. I have to go. Okay. Have a good rest, dear. This. And then 3 beads. Check my TikTok page. The first video you will be find where to order the copper wire. And you can also order the beads, order the ring size sticker, order the jewelry making, the plier, everything. You can find it in my shop. Check the first video. You will find where to buy the materials here. We are a shop buy material, sell materials and sell the wire, the beads, everything. Okay, here. So it's a very small and cute ball here. So if I wanted to keep the wire here, go through here. Okay, so it's about that we finish. Then we cut the wire extra here. This one. Okay. Continue, we use the wire 0.4. It can make one of those for my Mickey Mouse head. Yes, make it bigger. Make a big one, just more beads. Here. Go start to wrap. Wrapper 1 and 2 and 1. Thank you. Continue wrapper. This way that's to wrapper. I shoot it slowly. Not thick. My nose with allergic. Yeah, allergic for the cold weather. Shoot slower. How you wrapper? Yes. Here I shoot it slow. Here. Here. Wrap the wire this side one time, and you can twist it and wrap again. So when this way, I always wrap the bottom piece. So just twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. And if you are not going to be twisted, you need to pull the wire, go up one, and wrap it, and here. So it's clockwise. Go up one is also clockwise seam. So it's always clockwise and go up and clockwise here. If you twist just this way, here, twist, here, twist, this way, twist, here, twist, here, twist, here. So got it? 1 millimeter wire, you cut 2 pieces 10 centimeter. 2 pieces 10 centimeter. Yeah, you can try. This way is make the ring band more stronger. Twist, wrapper, 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 here, this way, this way, this way. So see, both the way is the same technique, just the different method to wrap it. I love to use this twist way. It's more easy. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to attach the ball here. This way, here, and the wrapper. Attach the ball. Yes. Hi. You have been doing it for a long time. I'm doing it your way. Yes. So I've go live on TikTok almost since 2022. Yeah. So, and I sell my materials on TikTok also since 2022. I have many customers is stay with me almost 3 years. Since 2022, the end of 2022, about October. So I'm so happy that I have many customers stay with me so long time, and like my family, friends. Here. In my shop, 60% of the customer is a returning customer. It's a very good a good shop. And if friends you are do the jewelry business or you want to try some handmade, you can get materials here. I will teach you how to use it, and the quality, you never worry about it. You can I think I have some customer, if they buy the material from my shop in 2022 and now the material is still not finished, not fade the color. It's non-tarnish. Thank you. So here, wrapper and wrapper. You can try to develop your own design as well. By learn the technique, then you can try your own developer. Then you will be a designer. Technique learn here, then to change the beads, change the color, change the method to string the beads. Then you will get a new design. Hi, DDJK. Happy to see you. So It's twist wrapper, twist wrapper, twist wrapper. We make a ring, keep the ball at the middle, so we need to measure the left braid and the right braid, the seam. So here is 2.4. Braid it 2.4. The other side 2. Okay. Okay. Mr. The making of the ball is there tutorial for ball. Tutorial for ball should be at the channel there. I think you can go to the channel DIY for you Della. Go there and search the tutorial maybe before 200. Before 200, check this channel. We have total 3 channel. This channel you can go to check maybe about before 200 the video. Then you can find the tutorial. Yeah, you can check the video before 200. Yes. Okay. It's a very early tutorial. Same way as we make the Christmas tree. Okay. When we make it is made like this. It's also on this channel about 5 pens down. Oh, okay, I don't know. So here. It's going to be a small size, this ring. Here. Thank you to follow me, my friends, if you're first time here. Okay.